You need to jump higher than you've ever jumped. I want to see you larger than life on stage.
I'm really excited that Asabi gave me a poem this week, and I have a bunch of proof to Asabi that I do have confidence.
Maddie, back to work this week. You have a solo in the competition. It's in the lyrical category, and it's entitled Mom, It'll Never Be the Same. Now, I also have a trio. The trio is going to be Paige, Nia, and Mackenzie. Trios are the hardest thing to choreograph, so this is going to be a nightmare. The trio is entitled Nothing's Gonna Stop Us, and I hope nothing does stop me. Let's move on to the group dance. The group number is titled All Kids Good. We're talking about our childhood going away. We're talking about Brooke leaving in 8th grade and going to high school. She's a teenager now. Everybody is in the group dance except Mackenzie. The nature of the